One.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Locke. I'm going to be demonstrating how to do the deadlift. The main movers in the deadlift are the quadriceps, the hamstrings, and the glutes. One thing to remember when you're doing the deadlift is to keep your back straight, not bend over, and have an arched back. One way I do this is by engaging the lats back, pulling my shoulders back, keeping my back in line, and keeping the weight closer to my body, preventing me from bending over. I want to make sure that my feet are pretty close together, about shoulder width apart, similar to a squat. I like to keep them a little bit closer than a squat, than I traditionally do with a squat, because I want the power driven through my body just a little bit better. I also like to have shoes that are have a smaller sole, so that way my force can be driven through the ground a little bit better. I like to do an alternated grip. When you're first starting deadlifting, I recommend switching which hand is prone and supine, so that way you can use the same muscles differently in both arms and not have, you want to do everything equally on both sides so your body's balanced. I get down. I like to grab my bar. It's called knurling, kind of the rough part of the bar. I like to grab it right as the edge. If you're bigger and wider, you might grab it a little bit out. I grab the edge. I usually have my right hand supine and then my left hand prone. I bring the weight closer to my shins. I like to think of it, I like to think of the lift as scraping the shins as to keep it close. Now I'm going to demonstrate the lift with 3 reps. Thank you.